In this presentation, we will discuss creative developer tools, which is part of a technology stack that I have developed over the last 3 years. My name is Chris Kopiters. I've worked in software and hardware for over 40 years, with the last 25 years focused on automating processing in the printing and publishing industry. I'm a software designer, a developer, a teacher, a trainer, and a subject matter expert. Under the Rorohiko flag, I've contracted for many companies, including IBM, Apple, and Adobe. Creative Developer Tools, or CRDT, is part of a technology stack called Tightener. Related URLs can be found on the CRDT NZ links page. Now, Creative Developer Tools has reached minimum viable product and is now being used to update the Rorohiko product line. There are 2 versions. There is one for ExtendScript and CEP and another for UXP and UXP script. These tools address common developer hurdles like simplified file access, environment access, or inter-application communication. We'll focus in this presentation on PluginInstaller, which is one of the tools in the set. PluginInstaller is a unified packager and installer serving both end users and developers. It's tailored for Adobe Creative Cloud, but designed to be adaptable to other ecosystems. PluginInstaller consolidates functionality from JSX-bin, ZXP sign command, extension manager, ZXP installer. It supports monetization through activations, in-app purchases, donationware, and so on. PluginInstaller integrates with various payment processors. We've integrated a PayPal-based system for selling Rorohiko software. The app includes a limited store functionality, which we hope to build out into a comprehensive creative tool database with community export. Currently, it already works well with CEP extensions, ExtendScript, InDesign Server, and it has basic support for other Creative Cloud apps. C++ plugins, hybrids, UXP support are still in progress. PluginInstaller is a desktop app for Mac, Windows, and Linux on Intel or ARM processors. In developer mode, developers can enter metadata, package scripts or panels, and generate PluginInstaller package files that contain encrypted code-signed content. On this slide, we see 2 Rorohiko projects. There's Text Exporter, which is a commercial CEP extension for InDesign, and Smoke Word Stacks, which is a donationware ExtendScript for InDesign. For CEP projects, PluginInstaller will take care of generating a self-signed certificate and will create a standard ZXP file. There is no need to use ZXP sign command. In addition, this ZXP file is then wrapped into a PluginInstaller package file, TPKG file. The TPKG files are structured to allow stable download URLs even when the tool's version changes. A remote computer can query the URL by looking at the first few 100 bytes and determine the version of the tool, decide whether an update is available without needing to download the whole file. At the user end, we use the same PluginInstaller but in standard mode, where users can browse the store, manage bookmarks, download, uninstall, purchase, and activate tools. The available text fields adapt based on the tool type and the licensing model. The Tightener stack uses a scattered database system which has 2 online components, a central registry and a payment processor component. Neither of these permanently stores personally identifiable data. Readable data is only retained on the individual user's computers, and that ensures security and privacy. The registry only tracks relations between things and retains only one-way hashes of the underlying data, which remains safely stored on personal computers. Creative Developer Tools aims to fill gaps in Adobe's automation tools, making development and monetization easier for small developers. Over the last 3 years, we've focused on making tool development sustainable and accessible, especially for non-developers in the creative and printing industries. For more information, here is a link to a page with the related URLs, and if you're interested, please reach out to chris@rorohiko.com. Thank you for your attention.